Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to check salary information on Glassdoor. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to glassdoor.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access all the salary features available on the platform. Logging in ensures you can view detailed salary data and breakdowns that aren't available to guest users. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page. You'll see several navigation options there. Click on Salaries. This section is specifically designed to help you research compensation across different roles and industries, giving you valuable insights into what you can expect to earn. Now you'll see a search field where you need to enter the job title you're interested in researching. Type in the specific position you want to explore. This helps Glassdoor filter the salary data to match exactly what you're looking for. Right beside the job title field, you'll notice another input box for location. Enter the location where you're interested in working or where you're currently based. Location plays a significant role in salary variations, so this step ensures you're seeing accurate, geographically relevant data. Once you've entered both your job title and location, click the magnifying glass icon right beside the location field. This will initiate your search and pull up salary information based on the criteria you've provided. Next, you'll want to refine your search even further. Click the drop-down menu that says Years of Experience. From the options that appear, select the range that matches your current level of experience. This is important because salaries can vary significantly depending on whether you're entry-level, mid-career, or senior level. Right beside that, click the drop-down menu to select your industry. Choose the industry that aligns with your field or the one you're planning to enter. Different industries often have different pay scales for the same job titles, so this helps you get more precise data. Now, take a look at the results displayed on your screen. You'll see a low to high salary range along with the average or median salary for your selected role. Glassdoor will also show you data from different companies, giving you a comprehensive view of what various employers are offering for similar positions. To get even more detailed information, click on one of the job titles listed in the results. This will take you to a page where you can fully check the salary range, including hourly rates if applicable. You'll also see additional breakdowns like bonuses, benefits, and other compensation details that can help you make informed career decisions. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to research and compare salaries on Glassdoor. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.